This video is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or sponsored by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE. It is created solely for educational purposes to help viewers expand their automotive knowledge and prepare for ASE-style topics. For official information, study materials, and certification details, please refer directly to ASE.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really helpful lined up for you. 50 practice multiple-choice questions to test your knowledge and help you study smarter. Whether you're brushing up for an exam, preparing for a certification, or just wanting to strengthen your automotive skills, this video is designed to guide you step by step. Grab a notebook, follow along, and see how many you can get right. Let's dive in and start learning together.
Which system is responsible for providing spark to ignite the air-fuel mixture in a gasoline engine? A. Cooling system. B. Ignition system. C. Lubrication system. D. Fuel delivery system. Answer: B. Ignition system. Explanation: the ignition system generates and delivers high-voltage sparks to ignite the mixture inside the combustion chamber. Which of the following parts is classified as a wear item? A. Alternator. B. Timing chain. C. Brake pads. D. Radiator. Answer: C. Brake pads. Explanation: brake pads wear down due to friction and are considered normal maintenance items. What is the main purpose of an oil filter? A. Increase oil pressure. B. Remove contaminants from engine oil. C. Prevent leaks in the oil pan. D. Cool the engine. Answer: B. Remove contaminants from engine oil. Explanation: oil filters trap dirt and debris, keeping engine oil clean for proper lubrication. A customer requests DOT4 brake fluid. Which fluid type must not be substituted? A. DOT3. B. DOT4LV. C. DOT5 silicone-based. D. DOT 5.1. Answer: C. DOT5 silicone-based. Explanation: DOT5 is silicone-based and not compatible with DOT3/4 glycol-based systems. What is the most common cause of premature alternator failure? A. Loose belt. B. Excessive battery drain. C. Worn brushes or bearings. D. Radiator. Answer: C. Worn brushes or bearings. Explanation: internal wear, especially brushes and bearings, is the most common alternator failure cause. 6. Which tool or catalog is most often used in parts departments to find correct part numbers? A. Service manual. B. EPC, electronic parts catalog. C. Torque wrench. Or D. Technical service bulletin. Answer: B. EPC. Explanation: EPCs allow parts professionals to cross-reference VINs and find correct OEM parts. 7. A customer needs wiper blades. What critical measurement should you provide? A. Voltage rating. B. Blade length. C. Thread size. Or D. Fluid capacity. Answer: B. Blade length. Explanation: wiper blades are sized by length, usually in inches or millimeters. 8. Which component stores energy to help an engine crank during startup? A. Alternator. B. Starter motor. C. Battery. Or D. Ignition coil. Answer: C. Battery. Explanation: the battery provides the electrical energy required to start the engine. 9. What is the function of a catalytic converter? A. Reduce noise. B. Store exhaust gases. C. Convert harmful emissions into less harmful gases. Or D. Improve fuel economy. Answer: C. convert harmful emissions into less harmful gases. Explanation: catalytic converters reduce CO, HC, and NOx emissions. 10. Which tire marking indicates the speed rating? A. DOT code. B. Load index. C. Letter following tire size, such as H, V, or T. Or D. Tread wear number. Answer: C. Letter following tire size, such as H, V, or T. Explanation: the speed rating is indicated by a letter, such as H, 130 miles per hour.
11. What type of warranty usually covers defects in materials and workmanship only? A. Lifetime warranty. B. Limited warranty. C. Extended service contract. Or D. Implied warranty. Answer: B. Limited warranty. Explanation: limited warranties cover manufacturer defects but exclude normal wear. 12. A customer needs a serpentine belt. Which tool helps measure correct size if the old belt is missing? A. Belt routing diagram. B. Belt wear gauge. C. Belt measuring tool or tape. Or D. Micrometer. Answer: C. Belt measuring tool or tape. Explanation: belt measuring tools determine the correct length when no old belt is available. 13. Which fluid is used inside an automatic transmission? A. Gear oil 80W90. B. .3 brake fluid. C. ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Or D. Coolant. Answer: C. ATF, automatic transmission fluid. Explanation: automatic transmissions require ATF for lubrication and hydraulic operation. 14. What does OEM stand for? A. Original Equipment Manufacturer. B. Official Engine Manual. C. Overhauled Engine Module. Or D. Outer Edge Measurement. Answer: A. Original Equipment Manufacturer. Explanation: OEM means parts made by the original manufacturer of the vehicle. 15. What is the primary role of antifreeze in an engine cooling system? A. Reduce oil consumption. B. Prevent overheating and freezing. C. Improve horsepower. Or D. Clean cylinder walls. Answer: B. Prevent overheating and freezing. Explanation: antifreeze regulates temperature and prevents corrosion inside the cooling system. 16. Which of the following is a friction material in a clutch assembly? A. Pressure plate. B. Throwout bearing. C. Clutch disc. D. Flywheel. The answer is C. Clutch disc. Explanation: the clutch disc contains friction material that engages the flywheel and pressure plate. 17. What is the typical function of a relay in an automotive electrical system? A. Store energy. B. Convert AC to DC. C. Control high current using low current. D. Increase voltage. The answer is C. Control high current using low current. Explanation: relays use small electrical signals to control larger current loads safely. 18. Which tire marking indicates the tire's manufacturing date? A. Dot code. B. Load index. C. speed rating, D, UTQG rating? The answer is A, dot code. Explanation. The last 4 digits of the dot code show week and year of manufacture. 19. What is the purpose of a PCV valve? A. Prevent overheating. B. Vent crankcase gases. C. Improve fuel mileage. D. Increase oil pressure. The answer is B. Vent crankcase gases. Explanation. The PCV valve routes blow-by gases from crankcase back into intake for reburning. 20. Which brake component squeezes the pads against the rotor? A. Caliper. B. Master cylinder. C. Wheel cylinder. D. Booster. The answer is A. Caliper. Explanation. Disc brake calipers press the brake pads against the rotor to slow the vehicle.
21. Which filter removes contaminants from the air entering the cabin? A. Fuel filter. B. Engine air filter. C. Cabin air filter. D. Oil filter. Answer. C. Cabin air filter. Explanation. Cabin air filters clean dust, pollen, and debris from HVAC airflow. 22. Which part transmits torque from the transmission to the differential in a rear-wheel drive vehicle? A. Axle shaft. B. Drive shaft. C. Tie rod. D. Control arm. Answer. B. Drive shaft. Explanation. Drive shafts carry torque between transmission and differential. 23. What type of battery is most commonly used in automobiles today? A. NiCad. B. Lead acid. C. Lithium ion. D. Nickel metal hydride. Answer. B. Lead acid. Explanation. Most standard vehicles use lead-acid batteries, while hybrids may use other chemistries. 24. Which brake fluid type is commonly found in most passenger vehicles? A. DOT2. B. DOT3. C. DOT5 silicone. D. Mineral oil. Answer. B. DOT3. Explanation. DOT3 is the most common fluid in passenger vehicles, though DOT4 is also used. 25. Which system uses an O2 sensor? A. Cooling. B. Ignition. C. Emission control fuel management. D. HVAC. Answer. C. Emission control fuel management. Explanation. Oxygen sensors monitor exhaust gases to adjust fuel mixture. 26. What is the purpose of a thermostat in an engine cooling system? A. Increase oil pressure. B. Regulate engine operating temperature. C. Control fan speed. Or D. Improve fuel economy. The answer is B. Regulate engine operating temperature. The explanation is, the thermostat opens and closes to maintain ideal engine temperature. 27. Which of these is a fast-moving part, high demand? A. Cylinder head. B. Fuel injector. C. Oil filter. D. Crankshaft. The answer is C. Oil filter. The explanation is, oil filters are replaced frequently, making them high-demand inventory. 28. What does VIN stand for? A. Vehicle identification number. B. Vehicle inspection note. C. Verified inventory number. Or D. Vehicle internal network. The answer is A. Vehicle identification number. The explanation is, VIN is a unique 17-character code identifying each vehicle. 29. Which part delivers fuel from the tank to the injectors under pressure. A. Fuel pump. B. Fuel filter. C. Fuel rail. D. Carburetor. The answer is A. Fuel pump. The explanation is electric fuel pumps deliver fuel to injectors under pressure. 30. What is the purpose of a radiator cap? A. Prevent oil leaks. B. Maintain system pressure. C. Control engine speed. Or D. Lubricate water pump. The answer is B. Maintain system pressure. The explanation is radiator caps maintain pressure in the cooling system to raise boiling point. 31. What does ABS stand for in braking systems? A. Anti-bounce suspension. B. Automatic braking system. C. Anti-lock brake system. Or D. Advanced brake safety. Answer: C. Anti-lock brake system. Explanation: ABS prevents wheel lockup under hard braking. 32. Which suspension part cushions the vehicle from bumps? A. Control arm. B. Shock absorber/strut. C. Sway bar. D. Tie rod. Answer: B. Shock absorber/strut. Explanation: shocks and struts dampen road vibrations and improve ride quality. 33. Which type of part is generally cheaper but not always identical to OEM? A. Remanufactured. B. Aftermarket. C. Genuine OEM. Or D. Core. Answer: B. Aftermarket. Explanation: aftermarket parts are made by third-party companies, often cheaper than OEM. 34. Which component is a major part of the charging system? A. Starter. B. Alternator. C. Ignition coil. Or D. Spark plug. Answer: B. Alternator. Explanation: alternators generate electrical power and recharge the battery. 35. Which part is replaced to restore tire traction and safety? A. Wheel bearing. B. Tire tread. C. Rotor. Or D. Hub. Answer: B. Tire tread. Explanation: tires wear down over time and must be replaced to ensure traction. 36. What is the function of the mass airflow, or MAF, sensor? A. Measure coolant flow. B. Measure intake air. C. Control spark timing. D. Pump fuel. Answer: B. Measure intake air. Explanation: the MAF sensor tells the ECM how much air is entering the engine. 37. Which inventory term means parts are no longer in production? A. Obsolete. B. Core. C. Stock. D. Back order. Answer: A. Obsolete. Explanation: obsolete parts are discontinued and no longer available from OEM. 38. Which tool measures battery voltage? A. Torque wrench. B. Multimeter. C. Pressure gauge. D. Dial indicator. Answer: B. Multimeter. Explanation: a multimeter measures voltage, resistance, and current. 39. What is the primary purpose of spark plugs? A. Increase fuel flow. B. Create spark to ignite mixture. C. Cool the engine. D. Charge the battery. Answer: B. Create spark to ignite mixture. Explanation. Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in gasoline engines. 40. What does TSB stand for? A. Technical Service Bulletin. B. Tire Safety Board. C. Transmission Service Book. D. Technical Supply Base. Answer A. Technical Service Bulletin. Explanation. TSBs are manufacturer-issued updates for common vehicle issues. 41. What is the function of a timing belt or chain? A. Drive alternator. B. Synchronize crankshaft and camshaft. C. Increase fuel economy. D. Lubricate valves. Answer B. Synchronize crankshaft and camshaft. Explanation. Timing belts or chains keep valves and pistons moving in sync. 42. Which engine component converts reciprocating motion into rotational motion? A. Camshaft. B. Crankshaft. C. Piston. D. Valve. Answer B. Crankshaft. Explanation. The crankshaft converts piston movement into rotation. 43. Which refrigerant replaced R12 in most vehicles after 1994? A. R22. B. R134A. C. R410A. D. R1234Y. Answer B. R134A. Explanation. R134A replaced R12 for environmental compliance. 44. What is the purpose of wheel balancing? A. Align suspension. B. Prevent uneven tire wear and vibration. C. Increase horsepower. D. Control fuel usage. Answer B. Prevent uneven tire wear and vibration. Explanation. Wheel balancing ensures smooth tire rotation. 45. What is a core charge in part sales? A. Discount for cash. B. Deposit refunded when old part is returned. C. Shipping fee. D. Tax on remanufactured parts. Answer B. Deposit refunded when old part is returned. Explanation. Core charges encourage recycling of rebuildable parts. 46. Which component controls engine idle speed in older vehicles? A. Map sensor. B. IAC valve. C. Crankshaft sensor. D. Fuel pump. Answer B. IAC valve. Explanation. The idle air control valve regulates airflow at idle. 47. What does EPDM rubber commonly make in automotive systems? A. Brake rotors. B. Radiator hoses and belts. C. Spark plugs. D. Wheel bearings. Answer B. Radiator hoses and belts. Explanation. EPDM rubber is durable, used in belts and hoses. 48. What is the purpose of a differential? A. Supply fuel. B. Allow wheels to rotate at different speeds. C. Control braking pressure. D. Increase ignition voltage. Answer B. Allow wheels to rotate at different speeds. Explanation. Differentials let wheels turn at different speeds during cornering. 49. What is the purpose of a muffler? A. Increase horsepower. B. Reduce exhaust noise. C. Clean exhaust gases. D. Store exhaust gases. Answer: B. Reduce exhaust noise. Explanation: mufflers reduce sound levels from exhaust flow. 50. Which suspension part keeps wheels aligned and allows steering? A. Sway bar. B. Tie rod. C. Shock absorber. D. Control arm. Answer: B. Tie rod. Explanation: tie rods connect steering rack to wheels, controlling alignment and steering.
Thanks so much for studying with us today. I hope these practice questions helped boost your confidence and sharpen your skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next study session. You can click the links on screen right now to watch another study video and keep your learning going. I'll see you over there.